ganda.
Happy birthday, sexy.
So, ayun.
Ano masasabihin?
Happy 21st.
Iyak
Sana
na.
mag-enjoy ka. Ang message mo.
Miss ka na namin. Alam mo ba? Dito kasi wala ka. Oh my God. Uwi ka na. Iyak na ako.
All I want for your birthdays, you know, happiness.
Naiiyak daw siya.
Medyo tipsy kami.
Oo. Nag-inom kami. Andito kami sa bahay
Kailangan kasi
nila.
namin ng courage para mag-English.
Yeah. Oh. Nosebleed na nga eh. Kukunin pa namin sa baul namin. Parang ikaw lang. Miss na namin yung bahay nyo. Ubusin namin yung tinday.
Tsaka yung balon.
Oo, yung balot na nalasing kami sa balot kasi kalay mo yung ang dami be. Tapos tig-isang tandoy ice lang.
Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo nung wala kami.
Wow! Happy birthday!
Hindi masaya kasi wala kami. Masaya.
Ibang friend.
We love you.
Yeah, I love you.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Hey, like a Jane. I know you know this face. Just wanted to wish you a happy birthday, a very special happy birthday for a very special person, my fave person. And I wrote you a birthday song. Try not to cry. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Like Jane. Happy birthday to you. Told you try not to cry. It's written from the heart. Don't ask where my inspiration came from. Love you, Leica. Have a good day.